Are you tired of chasing dreams that seem perpetually out of reach? Do you yearn for a shortcut to a life of abundance, fulfillment, and joy? The secret to achieving your desires lies not in external actions, but in the mastery of your inner world. I'm about to reveal a simple yet profound technique that can change your life instantly. It's a method that bypasses the logical mind and taps into the limitless power of your subconscious. The key to rapid manifestation lies in the art of assumption. Instead of focusing on what you don't have, assume you already possess it. Feel the emotions associated with your desire as if it were a present reality. This mental shift is the catalyst for change. Your subconscious mind cannot differentiate between imagination and experience. It accepts your mental creation as truth. By consistently dwelling in the feeling of your wish fulfilled, you're sending a powerful signal to the universe. The external world is a reflection of your inner state. When you change your mind, you change your reality. Let go of doubt and fear, and think of the certainty of your manifestation. This technique may seem too simple to be true, but its effectiveness lies in its simplicity. Dare to experiment and witness the extraordinary results. Assume if there were a simple trick that could bring you the results you've always wanted, seemingly overnight. It might sound too good to be true, but with the right approach, you can tap into a powerful method that can change your reality quickly and effortlessly. Belief is another essential aspect. To fully harness the power of your mind, you must cultivate unwavering faith in the process. This faith isn't blind. It's grounded in a deep understanding of the universal laws that govern reality. Believing in the unseen is a cornerstone of these teachings. When you believe in the power of your imagination, you open the door to endless possibilities. Emotions play a crucial role in manifestation. Feelings are the language of the subconscious mind. When you vividly assume your desires and infuse those images with positive emotions, you send a powerful signal to the universe. This emotional charge accelerates the manifestation process, bringing your dreams into reality with greater speed. Visualization techniques are practical tools for harnessing the power of your imagination. One effective method is mental rehearsal, where you repeatedly visualize a scenario in your mind until it feels natural and real. This technique conditions your subconscious mind to accept your desired outcome as a given fact, thereby paving the way for its manifestation in your physical reality. Gratitude is another essential element in the manifestation process. Gratitude amplifies positive emotions and aligns your energy with the frequency of abundance. By expressing gratitude for what you have and for what is yet to come, you open yourself to receive more of what you desire. This practice shifts your focus from lack to abundance, creating a positive feedback loop that enhances your manifestation efforts. Your self-concept, or the image you hold of yourself, is a powerful determinant of what you manifest. By consciously changing your self-concept to align with the person who has already achieved what you desire, you create a powerful shift in your reality. This process involves affirmations, visualization, and consistent action aligned with your new self-image. Persistence and consistency are key to successful manifestation. Manifestation is not a one-time event, but a continuous process of aligning your thoughts, beliefs, and actions with your desired outcome. It requires daily practice and unwavering commitment to your vision. By maintaining a consistent focus on your goals, you build momentum and bring your desires into reality. Inner conversations are a reflection of our inner state and play a crucial role in shaping our reality. By consciously directing your inner dialogue towards positive and affirming statements, you align your thoughts with your desires. These inner conversations act as seeds that eventually manifest in your external world. Meditation and mindfulness are essential practices for quieting the mind and tuning into the frequency of your desires. By cultivating a state of inner peace and focus, you create a fertile ground for manifestation. Meditation helps to clear mental clutter and allows you to connect with your higher self, which is the source of all creation. Action is the bridge between the mental and physical realms. While thoughts and beliefs are powerful, they must be followed by inspired action to bring your desires into reality. This action is not forced or stressful, but flows naturally from a place of alignment and inspiration. By taking consistent and aligned action, you move toward your goals with confidence and ease. One of the most profound realizations is that we are the creators of our reality. This understanding empowers us to take full responsibility for our lives and our experiences. By mastering the principles of manifestation, we unlock our potential and create a life that reflects our deepest desires and highest aspirations. In conclusion, the secrets of manifestation offer a powerful blueprint for changing your life. By harnessing the power of your imagination, aligning your thoughts and beliefs with your desires, and taking inspired action, you can create a reality that exceeds your wildest dreams. This journey requires faith, persistence, and a deep understanding of the universal laws that govern our reality. As you think of these principles and integrate them into your daily life, you will witness the miraculous unfold and experience the joy of living a life aligned with your true purpose and potential. By understanding and applying these techniques, you can change your life in ways you never thought possible. It's about tapping into the power within you, harnessing your imagination, and believing in the process. When you do, you'll find that your dreams are not just possible, they are inevitable. Take the first step today and watch as your life begins to change in truly astonishing ways. As you continue to delve deeper into these principles, you will discover that manifestation is not just about achieving external goals, but about becoming the person you were always meant to be. It's a journey of self-discovery and self-empowerment, where you realize that you are the architect of your destiny. Think of this journey with an open heart and mind, and you will see the incredible power that lies within you to create a life filled with abundance, joy, and fulfillment. Manifestation is a daily practice that requires dedication and faith. It's about consistently aligning your thoughts, emotions, and actions with your highest aspirations. Remember, you have the power to change your reality. By applying these techniques, you can create a life that not only meets but exceeds your greatest expectations. Start today and watch as the magic unfolds in your life, one miraculous moment at a time. To further enhance your manifestation journey, it's essential to practice mental discipline. This involves being mindful of the thoughts you entertain and ensuring they align with your desired outcomes. Mental discipline means catching yourself when you fall into negative thinking patterns and consciously shifting towards positive, affirming thoughts. This constant vigilance helps to maintain a high vibration and keeps you aligned with your goals. Another powerful technique is the use of affirmations. Affirmations are positive statements that reinforce your beliefs and desires. They help to reprogram your subconscious mind and replace limiting beliefs with empowering ones. By repeating affirmations daily, you strengthen your conviction and create a mental environment conducive to manifestation. Ensure your affirmations are specific, positive, and stated in the present tense to maximize their effectiveness. Engaging in creative visualization is also highly beneficial. This technique involves creating detailed mental images of your desired outcomes and immersing yourself in these visualizations. The more vivid and sensory-rich your visualizations, the more real they become to your subconscious mind. By regularly engaging in creative visualization, you build a mental blueprint that your subconscious can work towards manifesting. It's important to cultivate a mindset of abundance. An abundance mindset recognizes that there is more than enough for everyone and that you are deserving of all the good things life has to offer. This contrasts with a scarcity mindset, which focuses on lack and limitation. By shifting to an abundance mindset, you open yourself up to greater opportunities and attract more of what you desire. Practicing self-compassion is another key element. Being kind and gentle with yourself during the manifestation process is crucial. Understand that setbacks and challenges are part of the journey and use them as opportunities for growth and learning. Self-compassion helps to maintain a positive outlook and keeps you motivated to continue working towards your goals. A sense that there's more to life than what meets the eye? You're not alone. Within each of us lies an extraordinary power, the ability to shape our world through the strength of our minds. We often look outside ourselves for answers, for solutions to our problems. But the truth is, the key to creating the life you desire resides within you. You are not a passive observer of life. You are an active participant, shaping your reality with every thought and emotion. Your mind is a potent force, capable of manifesting your wildest dreams. Assume a world where your desires flow to you effortlessly. A world filled with abundance, love, and fulfillment. This isn't wishful thinking. It's a tangible reality waiting to be claimed. The secret lies in understanding the nature of your consciousness. Your mind is a garden, and your thoughts are the seeds you plant. Cultivate thoughts of abundance, joy, and success, and watch as your reality blossoms accordingly. Visualize your desired outcome as vividly as possible. Feel the emotions associated with it. The more real it seems in your mind, the closer you are to experiencing it in the physical world. Your subconscious mind doesn't differentiate between what is real and what is assumed. Feed it with images of prosperity, happiness, and love. Let go of doubt and fear, for they are the weeds that choke your garden. You are not a victim of circumstance. You are the creator of your reality. Every thought, every word, every action contributes to the tapestry of your life. Well, that's all for now. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Peace out.